everyone, welcome to TTT Studio. Today, I'm going to walk you through my complete workflow for creating dramatic AI videos using Higgsfield. If you're like me, your head is constantly bursting with stories, just waiting to be visualized perfectly. I usually start by writing a rough scenario and turning it into a timeline. It might evolve during the process, but having a structure keeps you on track and serves as a vital guideline. First things first, prepare a base image and turn it into a full character sheet using Nano Banana. Let's look at the prompt. Create a character sheet with full shots of front, side, and back. Include 4 facial expressions. This step is crucial. It helps maintain a consistent look for your character without losing key details. I also include the character's personality traits in the prompt, so the sheet reflects their main emotions perfectly. Nano Banana's image consistency is great for this step. I also fix minor errors to keep the character consistent from all angles. Once you have the character sheets, the next step is creating keyframes based on your initial synopsis. To me, keyframes serve a dual purpose. They are the seeds for video generation, and they act as the building blocks of our storyboard. Once the keyframes are ready, I like to organize them into a rough storyboard. This ensures I've captured all the key visuals I need. You could skip this step if you're confident, but call me a control freak. I prefer to generate more images, delete the weak ones, and rearrange them until it feels right. This really helps visualize the flow of each scene. This is hands down one of the most useful new features on Higgsfield. I was honestly blown away by how quickly they integrated this into the platform. With just one image, you can generate scenes from multiple camera angles. You can adjust the camera in detail. But if you want to move fast, like I do, just generate a batch of 9 angles at once and pick your favorite. The images from different angles are saved in your Images tab, and you can delete the unwanted ones and download only the ones you need. Now, let's add some life. Using the keyframe, I give instructions in the prompt like, zoom into the priest's face. He says, "The queen has arrived," in a low, serious tone. I always describe the character's emotion and the context. Surprisingly, the model captures the underlying subtext perfectly and translates it into realistic actions and lip sync.
The queen has arrived.
Incompetent. When is she going to get better?
For video generation, I switch between VO and Kling as they have different strengths. If you need a 5-second shot, Kling 2.1 does an amazing job with just 10 credits.
Incompetent. When is she going to get better?
On the other hand, VO 3.1 creates stunning 4K videos and supports multi-shot mode, which splits the scene into dynamic cuts.
Incompetent.
When is she going to get better?
I use VO when the image consistency is important, as it has ingredient feature, which allows you to upload the character sheet with the keyframe. It helps keep the facial expressions and features consistent. Kling 2.1's first and last frame feature is an affordable choice to ensure the start and end of the scene. Here's another new feature on Higgsfield, Cinema Studio. You can start from text, control the cinematic camera features, lightings in professional way, and generate images and videos. Or you can change the image as if it was filmed by different cameras. Here's an example of converting an image with different camera and lighting setting and animating it with cinematic camera in the Cinema Studio. And keep going. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown of my cinematic workflow on Higgsfield. I'm really impressed with how fast their interface is evolving with new AI technologies. It's definitely liberating to have access to these diverse tools on one platform at an affordable price. I've linked the full video, complete with music and final edits, in the description and end screen. Check it out to see the final result. So, what's your story? Share your ideas in the comments below.